I'm Rumailah and today I'm going to be explaining why oil of me loves oil of you. All jokes aside, today we are going to be delving into facial oils and why I absolutely love them. Well, a facial oil, as the name suggests, is an oil that can be applied on the face. Now, facial oils are formulated with one or a mix of non-comedogenic oils, which means it won't clog your pores and break you out. So, not all oils qualify as facial oils. A facial oil is always used as the last step in your skincare routine because its main benefit is to seal the toner, treatment and moisturizer that you've applied before it. It helps to deeply moisturize your skin, support your skin barrier health and prevent moisture loss. Now, some facial oils are formulated with special ingredients that are meant to target specific skin concerns. Okay, I know what you're thinking, chip chip, but remember what I said at the beginning? Not all facial oils are created equal. Especially these ones are formulated with lightweight, quick absorbing, non-sticky facial oils that do not feel heavy on the face. Especially this one, the hemp seed facial oil, is meant for oily, acne-prone skin type. I mean, just look at how lightweight it is. Doesn't feel sticky at all. So to answer your question, yes, if you find the right facial oil for your skin type and your skin concern, facial oils are good for Indian skin. So here's how I like to use facial oils. Number one, I like to use it as a last step in my nighttime skincare routine, also known as slugging. Number two, I like to use it under my makeup for that glowy, dewy base. And number three, I like to give myself a facial massage every other day. On days that I'm feeling fancy, I like to go in with a gua sha, or I just use my fingers. For the right sleep, I like to go in with 3 to 4 drops of the squalane and vitamin E facial oil. So that's all for today. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comments what other videos you want us to make next. See you next time. Bye.